Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So if you are new here, I intend to make videos to share my thoughts and learnings in data analytics, data science, and artificial intelligence. Now today I'm going to cover a data career myth. Is bootcamps enough or should we do more? So for bootcamps, most of the time if they are done well, they should cover the following topics: data management, some amount of data cleansing with tools like could be R, it could be Python, it could be Excel. Then you should also cover machine learning, how to access the model performance of the machine learning models. And you should also cover application best practices if they are done well, because these are what is needed in the industry. But whether is it enough or not, my conclusion for now is still not enough just by attending the bootcamps. Reason being is I see that data scientist is pretty similar to a medical surgeon. So if you look on the left, right, so data scientists, right, what is needed is we need them to provide solutions through data. So you go to a bootcamp, likely case is what you're going to learn are the tools and the mathematical models, some data cleaning, and so on and so forth. Now, if you look on the right-hand side, the medical surgeon. So medical surgeon, at the end of the day, right, what we value them the most is they are able to save patients. So they go to a medical school, they'll learn the procedures, the medicines, and so on. However, if you now look at the last point for both sides, a data scientist go to a bootcamp, he or she hasn't really demonstrated that he or she can put the different knowledge into a solutions. Similarly, for a medical surgeon, at the end of the day, right, the medical surgeon can go to a medical school, learn all the procedures, remember all the procedures, remember all the medicine that he or she has studied, but still hasn't proven that he or she can save life, which is what matters the most. Now, most of us definitely won't go to a medical surgeon that doesn't have any surgical experience, right? So what is really needed in addition to the bootcamp? Project portfolio. You need a project portfolio. This project portfolio would help to let your employer see that you can put those knowledge into a feasible solution. And again, remember this, employer value the solutions, not how much you know. So how do we get started? First step, you can look for data sets of interest, something that you'll be keen to work on. So here are some suggestions. You can go to kaggle.com, or there is a Google dataset search that you can go to and look for data sets that you are keen to experiment with. Next, explore the data set that you have chosen with tool of your choice. So it could be Tableau, it could be Excel, it could be Python, it could be R, and so on and so forth. So explore the data set, try to find out like whether the data set is of good quality, what is being recorded in each column, and so on. Now, the third step is important. You need to document down your analysis and the kind of insights that you get. How do you document down? You can block it, or you can document it in your codes. Okay. After you have done your analysis, your insights and all, this is time where you can apply the mathematical tools. So it could be a machine learning model, or it could be just summary statistics. It's really up to you. What kind of problems are you trying to solve? But more importantly is step number 5. You need to document down your thought process. At the end of the day, I share with most of my mentees, the employers are looking for your thought process, whether you can solve problems with data. So how do you document down the thought process? You can comment it on your codes, but I'll recommend that you blog about it. Like write down what are the thought process, why do you solve a problem this way, why do you solve it the other way, or maybe you have experimented this way but you found out that it's not good enough, and so on and so forth. So do document down the thought process. And last but not least, propose a business solution, but ground your business solution with your analysis. That means it must be supported by the data that you have analyzed the data and you propose this business solution based on the data. So that step is also very important because that is the final step that will show the employer what kind of value you can provide. So step number 6, remember that, propose a business solution from your analysis. So I hope this video helps in your career journey, and do consider giving this video a like and subscribe to my channel. To stay in touch, you can look for me on LinkedIn. I do blog as well, so check out my website for other posts that I've written. I also run a podcast as well. So in my podcast, I invite fellow data professionals to come in and share their career journey. I hope they will provide good reference to you for your journey as well. So if you're interested, go to your favorite podcast platform and look for Symbolic Connection. Thank you.